A low-angle shot reveals the intricate detail of the unharvested Kirby cucumber, glistening with morning dew.
Here at Environmental Field 1, the mechanical harvester ensures that our fresh Kirby cucumbers are collected efficiently under the bright sun. This close-up view shows the harvester's pickup reel gently lifting the vines, separating the fresh Kirby cucumbers from the plant with precision. Moving 40 tons of fresh produce requires precision logistics. These Kirby cucumbers are en route to ensure peak freshness upon arrival.
In 1/4 mile, take the exit towards State Highway 55. Keep right to merge onto the ramp.
Warning, clearance for the Kirby cucumbers. All right, pull forward.
Here at the factory intake, the specialized trash extractor efficiently separates the lighter field debris from the heavy Kirby cucumber.
The cleaned Kirby pickling cucumbers arrive from the field, passing through the intake curtains before the grading process begins.
see the vibratory shaker, ensuring only the highest quality spears move on to the next stage.
The freshly cut spears move quickly down the line, ready to be packed into the sterilized jars.
The mechanical plunger gently compresses the spears into the jar to ensure headspace compliance.
The jars are conveyed down the line to the spice dosing station, where a precise blend of dill and peppercorns is added.
Here we see the critical moment where the hot brine reaches the brim, demonstrating the surface tension before it cascades down the jar. The high-speed shot documents the magnetic capping process, as metal lids are precisely placed and twisted onto the hot, wet pickle jars.
The sealed jars now enter the tunnel pasteurizer, where they are heated to a precise temperature.
The conveyor system ensures a rapid, single-file transport of the sealed spears directly into the labeling phase. The sealed pickle spears travel down the overhead conveyor system, ensuring a precise alignment before entering the high-speed labeling enclosure.
The packaged kosher dill pickle spears in brine are conveyed up the spiral, ensuring a steady flow to the palletizer level.
Here we see the diverter arm pushing a specific case to the quality control lane, while others continue to palletization.
The checkweigher ensures that every case contains the correct number of jars before moving to the next stage. Here in packaging area ENV7, the box turner is orienting the packaged kosher dill pickle spears. Environmental 8, Internal Logistics. The product, jarred kosher dill pickle spears in brine, undergoing palletizing.
The palletizing process is a critical step in our supply chain, ensuring that every jar of pickles is secured for transport.
And the telephoto shot captures the pallet of kosher dill spears sliding perfectly into the high bay slot. Here in the staging lanes, pallets are meticulously lined up and organized by shipping order to ensure efficient distribution.
The shipping clerk meticulously verifies the kosher dill spears against the order before they are cleared for transport.
Every day, this fleet travels thousands of miles, carrying the finest jarred kosher dill pickles in brine.
That is the perfect crunch. So much dill flavor.